I bet you didn't know your washing machine could get this dirty. Stick around and I'll show you how to fix it. First, let's tackle the detergent drawer. Take it out and give it a good scrub with warm soapy water. Rinse it well and let it dry. Next up, the drum. Run an empty cycle with hot water and add 2 cups of white vinegar. This helps break down any buildup. Once that's done, sprinkle half a cup of baking soda directly into the drum and run another hot cycle. This will help deodorize and scrub away any leftover grime. Now don't forget the door seal. Grab an old toothbrush and some vinegar. Scrub all around the rubber seal to remove any gunk or mold. Wipe it down with a clean cloth when you're done. Finally, let's clean the filter. This part might be a bit messy, so have a towel handy. Locate your filter, usually at the bottom front of the machine. Unscrew it, take it out, and give it a rinse under warm water. Replace it and you're good to go. And there you have it. A clean washing machine ready to give your clothes a fresh, clean wash every time. Remember to do this every couple of months to keep your machine in tip-top shape. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.